I'm getting all my anxiety out, okay? So, you're here at Elevated Living with Z. And of course, I am Z. And here we are about all things that elevate you and your life experience, and mine too, and that of the universe, and that of the people around us, the earth, and our community. So, I know it's been a while since I made a fresh video. And before I get into the goodies, I wanted to let you guys know that the reason I did that was because I didn't feel like I was being true to myself anymore. I do feel like there's nothing wrong with Reiki energy. So for those of you Reiki practitioners, I do not want you to think that this is a diss or a negative plot on you guys. I'm just feeling like, for me, I don't need any, not that I don't need, I'm not above or beyond that. I just feel called to use angel energy more than that, light therapy more than that. I don't feel like the symbols strengthen, nor do they do anything for my healing value. And as long as my heart is in the right place and I am able to channel that energy to you guys, I think we are going to be great. So in the time that I have not been here, I have like literally decided that we are not going to use the term, well, we may use Reiki energy in remembrance and in love and light, okay? But we're not going to do that anymore. So from this part of the video, my kids want to practice and hold their hands in love and light. And every day or every time that I log on here and make a video like of this kind, it's going to be like energy of this date, either in the chamber or outdoors. It's going to have a time that you can channel it in. So I'm just going to hold energy. Whatever happens, happens. Whatever pops, pops. If there's anything significant, I may or may not say that. And each one will take it at a time. And at the very end of every video, I will, or the beginning when I'm feeling more called, I will definitely do a little clearing of the, let's see if you guys can see it really beautifully. Ooh. Okay, so that is the energy board that we're going to be using for these next little healing sessions. And so I believe that I'm going to, at the very end, like I said, balance and heal and align the energy, the chakras. So that, I'm going to go through them with my handmade pendulum. So remember, guys, so I've been working on a lot of things. Like one of them will be the space that we're healing in. Okay, so that's that. I have our home, our community, and our earth always in line with everything that we've got going on here. I brought it in my room so that I can meditate upon it all the time, and I live and resonate more in it. And I'm practicing my craft of card reading. So when I feel a little bit more called, I'm going to record with my hands. I'll shuffle and I'll video. Instead of using my face, so I'm not so worried about getting ready for you guys, I'll just use my hands, and you guys will see my hands, the shuffle and all that. And I'll do more card readings, tarot readings, angel, oracle readings and things like that, okay? And we'll do some like angel oracle readings, and we'll back them up by like my tarot that I've been practicing. So, you know what, guys? We will explore different things, but today I'm gonna do a healing sesh, maybe last 5 minutes or whatever I feel called. And I will, like I said, send energy for whatever you guys want to pick up on, whatever you're going through. Just grab the energy. This is love, light. I'm going to call on the angels. I'm going to call on every love feeling in my bones and in my fiber. And I'm going to send it to you guys through every good, healed, and restored chakra. And from now on, it's going to come from the heart. I'm not going to do some ceremonial, BS. It's just going to be me giving you guys love and light from Z's heart to yours. And I hope that this comes off as exactly what I intend for it to come off, and that the readings start to give us messages that I feel like it. And when I'm outside with the moon and the light and the stars, you guys feel what I'm feeling and hear what I'm hearing, from a different, deeper space. No more titles that we don't resonate with. This is just love and light from one human to the other, so that we can raise each other's vibration. All right, guys, let me light up these candles and get ready to go. I love you. It's so good to be back. Here's a few minutes of innocence from the love of a child to give you guys healing, refreshing vibes as I receive and prepare to give you guys my open and best. So if this comes out right, before we start playing the music, a lot of you guys missed my cat. Lucky for those of you who missed her, she's back in this room. She'll probably pop up in the video at any time. And before we fade out into the music, like I said, there's no special thing that we're doing. I just use this to get my mind right after letting the kids give you guys all their love and light. I just want to give you guys all of it.